By the gods, Lord Godred, you look miserable, but from the looks of it, you've succeeded in securing our empire of dirt and glory.
Don't you get bored of cleaning your armor the whole day? Word on the battlefield has it that the king wasn't left unharmed.
Oh, all blood's the same after all, What a pity. Oh, he's with his son.
So where are they?
In a place where none of them will ever rule again. Oh, I'm sorry, Godred. That had a way greater impact on you than I had expected. But they weren't your favorite relatives anyway, right?
Lionel! Lionel! Lionel!
You see, cowards crave for power, and madmen try to keep it. But so is madness a disease that runs directly through your veins, Godred.
Cut it off, Lionel. What happened?
Our mad king was killed by his coward son, which makes you now the wolf without a leash, I suppose.
Or a king who unwillingly must take the throne. A wolf raised by jackals isn't unaware of the difference between a jackal and its own king.
Still, a wolf that runs wild is more dangerous than a domesticated jackal.
But wolves know loyalty to the pack, and a leading wolf would never betray. You should know. We both swore an oath. Not for the same reasons, but to the same thing. You've served well, but you no longer serve a wild man.
So then, please, Lord Godred, explain to me the difference between a wild man and a madman.
It is simple. A wild man knows how to keep his oath.
Fine. But if you turn your back on the throne, I'll turn my back on you.
That would only be fair, old friend.